Hey everyone, this is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with a Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on any of my social media platforms at CD Slang St. Pete. Now, I want to give you some options as a homeowner looking to sell their home, strategies to help you essentially alleviate a lot of the problems and hopefully sell your home quicker. And first and foremost, that would be, getting the inspections done pre-listing. So it's when you're speaking to your real estate professional, it's a good idea to ask them about their options or what your options are, specifically by getting the inspections done now before you list the property. And for a couple of reasons. First of all, if you look and find all the issues from a home inspector and address them, you're going to command a higher selling price because there's no issues for the sellers for the homeowners potentially to find. Next, you will attract more buyers because unlike HGTV, where claim they're looking for projects to make their house their own, most buyers are not. As we transition towards a buyer's market, you need to make your home as move-in ready as possible. So you will attract more people potentially if there are fewer problems present because you've addressed them at the inspection beforehand, before you've been listing it. Lastly, leads to a faster sale. So think about it. If there's no issues or no substantial issues to work on, there's no cracks, there's no foundation issues, there's no roof issues because you've had them addressed beforehand by doing your own inspection, the sale can go faster. It's to your benefit. This will give you peace of mind and hopefully a higher price and a faster sale. Now, if these are some of the questions that you have and you're not getting good answers from the real estate agents or brokers that you're interviewing, I might be your guy. Give me a call at 727-303-1521, or once again, shoot me a DM at CD Slang St. Pete and ask these questions. And we can talk about some of your options about putting your home in the best position to get the best offer faster. Talk to you later.